Ever spilled your coffee and thought, why me? Turns out, it's Sir Isaac Newton's fault. Let's explore how Newton's laws explain every spill, slip, and splatter in your kitchen. Newton's first law says, an object in motion stays in motion unless acted on by an outside force. So when you stop the tray, your tea doesn't get the memo. It keeps moving forward right onto your shirt. Newton's second law is all about force and acceleration. Force equals mass times acceleration. More force equals faster mess. That light spoon with enough flick becomes a flying food missile. And Newton's third law, for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. You stir that soup too hard, it pushes back. So next time your cereal flies, your smoothie spills, or your noodles rebel, don't blame yourself, blame physics. Like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more interesting videos.